6 kilograms of 18-karat gold, and only one craftsman in the world is allowed to touch it. Fusing solid gold with malachite stone, quarried from a single deposit in the Italian Alps. The trophy you see lifted every 4 years is not the original.
The first one, a gold-plated silver cup awarded in 1930, was stolen, hidden inside a shoebox, and never fully recovered. In the next 8 minutes, you will see the exact 12-stage process and the 93-year secret hiding inside the base. But how do 6 kilograms of gold become VHIS?
The journey begins 3,000 miles away deep underground.
This is the Carlin Trend in Nevada, one of the richest gold deposits on Earth. Controlled blasting breaks the rock, releasing gold that formed 30 million years ago. Each truck carries 300 tons of ore, containing barely enough gold to fill a thimble, and the viewer feels the sheer effort.
The ore is crushed to gravel, the first step in separating gold from stone. At the refinery, crushed ore becomes pure gold, heated to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. One of these bars will travel 6,000 miles to a secret workshop in Italy. The malachite, sourced from a single alpine deposit, is chosen for its uninterrupted green bands.
This is where it begins, and this is where it ends. Everything in between, that is what I am going to show you.
12 stages, 1 craftsman. Let us begin.
Step 1, weighing 6 kilograms of pure gold, not 1 gram more, not 1 gram less.
Pure gold is too soft. Copper and silver are added, creating 18-karat gold strong enough to last centuries. At 1,945 degrees Fahrenheit, solid becomes liquid, and the alloy is born. Step 2, the wax pattern. Every detail of the final trophy begins here, carved by hand.
The wax is encased in ceramic. When fired, the wax melts away, leaving a perfect negative cavity, and the viewer feels the ancient process. The wax is sacrificed, and what remains is a hollow space shaped exactly like the trophy. 6 kilograms of liquid gold poured in a single unbroken stream. Any pause, any hesitation, and the casting fails. The gold must cool slowly. Rush this, and the metal cracks. Patience is the craftsman's sharpest tool. Step 4, the reveal. After hours of cooling, the ceramic shell is broken away, and the viewer feels like an archaeologist uncovering buried treasure.
It exists, but it is still a long way from the trophy the world knows.
Step 5, removing the sprues. And every channel that fed gold into the mold must be cut away. When the casting marks are ground away, the trophy true surface begins to appear, and the viewer feels progress because they can see the trophy getting closer to its final form, and every second of work matters.
Step 6, hand filing. No machine can match the human eye for this work. The faces must express joy, triumph, and eternal celebration. One wrong tap, and the expression is lost. Step 7, first polish. The gold begins to reflect light for the first time. Not a single scratch, not a single blemish. The surface is now flawless.
Step 8. The malachite base, the same alpine stone used in every trophy since 1974. Step 9. Assembly. The gold trophy and malachite base become one for the first time. The viewer feels completion because the two materials are now a single trophy. The malachite band must fit the gold base with zero tolerance. A gap of even 1 millimeter would be visible from across a stadium. Step 10. Micro-detailing areas no camera can see are polished to the same standard as the front face. Only the FIFA engraving is added, and no craftsman name, and the trophy belongs to football, not to any single hand. One imperfection, and the entire trophy is melted down and recast. It has happened before.
Step 11. The secret inside every trophy base, a hidden compartment, its purpose unknown for 93 years. A gold authentication plate sealed inside. Only FIFA knows the serial number until the trophy is awarded. Step 12. Final verification. Weight, dimensions, surface finish, all measured against a master specification, unchanged since 1974. The light test reveals what the eye cannot. Under 10,000 lumens, any flaw would be exposed. The craftsman work ends here. The trophy journey is just beginning.
The first championship trophy, awarded in 1930, was gold-plated silver, not solid gold.
In 1966, the Jules Rimet trophy was stolen from a London exhibition. A dog named Pickles found it wrapped in newspaper under a hedge. In 1983, the Jules Rimet trophy was stolen again from the Brazilian Football Confederation. It was never recovered. It is believed to have been melted down.
In 1974, a new trophy was commissioned, solid 18-karat gold. It has been awarded at every World Cup.
6 decades, 12 champions, 1 trophy, unchanged, undiminished, eternal. The trophy is sealed in a custom transport case, shockproof, climate-controlled, and tracked by satellite. From Valenza to FIFA headquarters in Zurich, the trophy travels under constant guard. The vault at FIFA headquarters, where the trophy waits for the next World Cup draw. 6 kilograms of gold, 1 craftsman, a 93-year secret. The FIFA.
Every frame in this video is handcrafted from concept to final edit. A real human guides every step using AI tools. All content is original and follows YouTube 2026 monetization rules.